Standard 7 Subject Science Lesson number 16 Natural Resource Part 4. In our previous video we had studied about some important minerals and ores, that is iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, mica and fuel. What is a coal? Coal is a complex mixture of organic chemical substances containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in a chemical combination together with smaller amount of nitrogen and sulfur. Millions of years ago, forests got buried underground as a result of certain natural events. Layer of soil kept getting deposited over them. The very high pressure from above and heat from the earth interior slowly transformed the buried plant into fuel. Coal was thus formed from the remains of those plants. That is why coal is said to be a fossil fuel. Coal is found in mines, peat, lignite, bituminous coal, and anthracite are the various types of coal. Anthracite is the coal of the highest grade. Coal is in a way a storehouse of carbon. It is burned to obtain heat energy. Coal is used as a fuel. It is used as fuel in thermal power plant as well as to run boilers and railway engines. Coal is also used as a fuel for cooking and for baking bricks in kilns on a large scale. The gaseous fuels produce gas and water gas are obtained from coal. Coal as an energy resource contributes greatly to industrial development. The Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, was established on 14th August 1956. It functions under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas of the Government of India. ONGC is the largest oil and gas research and production company in India. Its head office is at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. ONGC produces about 77% of the crude oil and about 62% of natural gas produced in India. Of the 7 commercial important underground oil reserves in India, ONGC has successfully explored 6. Mineral oil. Mineral oil is a liquid fuel formed by the decomposition of organic substance buried underground. Millions of years ago, bodies of dead sea organisms sank to the bottom of the sea. Layers of soil and sand collected on them. Due to high pressure and temperature, the remains of dead organisms were transformed into mineral oil. The underground mineral oil is extracted through oil wells. Mineral oil is found mainly in oil sand, shale, sandstone and limestone at a depth of about 1000 to 3000 meters. Mineral oil is also known as petroleum or crude oil. It is greenish brown in color. Petroleum is a mixture of many compounds mainly of hydrocarbon type. It also contains compounds of oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Petroleum is extracted through oil wells and refined by fractional distillation to separate other components. Aviation, petrol, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, lubricating oil, tar are all obtained from petroleum. They are used as fuel and for production of dyes, pesticides, perfumes and artificial fiber. So, mineral oil is a liquid fuel. It is formed by the decomposition of organic substance buried underground and it has various uses. Fossils are preserved remains of dead organisms in the rock. Fossils are the sign of the existence left behind by organisms that got buried billions of years ago. Sometimes impressions of the organism are seen on the surface of coal and stone. In our next video, we are going to study about natural gas, characteristic of CNG and LPG. Thank you.